Hi, Lee Phillips here. Want to talk to you for a second about the coronavirus economic problems. Basically, I got the question the other day. I'm a W-2 employee and I invest in real estate. Is there any way I can get aid to help me in this coronavirus stuff? Because last Saturday, which would have been August 12th or whatever it is, the president signed an executive order that extended the non-foreclosure, when you eviction. Had a Biden moment, I'm sorry. The non-eviction of tenants. So they can't foreclose on the mortgages, they can't evict the tenants, and what do? The landlord, the real estate investors, really behind the eight ball, because the PPP stuff didn't apply to them. You basically have to have a salary or be paying wages in order to get the PPP stuff, and by the way, that ended on August 8th. The idle loan stuff, that money's gone now too, and it wasn't really for real estate investors. So the real estate investors kind of taking it in the shorts, and they figure that you're a big boy and that you've got all this real estate, you're rich anyway, so you can handle it. And I can't really help you a lot. We're going to talk more about the president's executive orders last weekend. Extended the unemployment with a $400 bonus. It waived student loans, the payroll tax holiday, and those just don't help the individual real estate investor. So do the best you can, and maybe they're going to give us some relief for real estate investors down the road. I don't know. And they can't foreclose on your mortgage right now, but that doesn't mean they're not going to be able to in the future, and it doesn't mean you're not going to still owe the money. So you may be behind the eight ball when this finally all unwinds if you're behind on your mortgages. Lee Phillips, not a lot of help, but talking about the CARES Act, the coronavirus stuff, and the latest executive orders by the president.